We've been in the industry for almost 25 years here in Sydney, and we provide drafting and coordination services mainly to mechanical contractors, services consultants and builders and developers. Basically, we start off providing coordinated workshop drawings for ductwork, pipework and electrical systems, ranging from residential through to commercial developments. Part of the services that we also provide is to provide backup to larger companies that don't have large internal drawing offices, so whereby we may be given part of a project or a whole project just to assist in the development and production of the drawings. It's more cost efficient for the client to outsource to us rather than have to spend on new computers, new staff, new software internally, and also helps them on delivery timeframes and budgets. As a part of the services that we provide, we use the Autodesk Fabrication suite of products depending on the job. We provide assistance to consultants to help them deliver more constructible models that contractors are going to be happier with further down the workflow. By constructible models, we mean that they're drawn and coordinated to a level that omits any redraw work from the contractor. All of this is available with the fabrication software that we use. When we're working for contractors, we take the design models, develop them into fabrication and spool drawings to either download directly to CAM machines or for site install. Prior to the fabrication software implementation, our workflow was traditional AutoCAD, 2D, very time consuming. Coordination either took place on the CAD screen, different colours, different services, or more time consuming, it took place in a meeting room, around a light table with 4 or 5 different colour prints overlaid. That caused problems, delays to getting solutions resolved, and has helped us provide a valued service to our clients. It's helped us grow as a company. Using the BIM software certainly makes our jobs a lot better. BIM software that we use makes things clearer. It highlights problems and puts them up in a readable format that anyone can see and understand very quickly. Healthcare is unique insofar as the volume of services in a small space. Reticulation of services is very congested and complicated, so the BIM software comes into its own with clash detection very, very quickly. It just brings it up in front of people very clearly, colour JPEG format, video format, AVI, Navisworks. If there's a clash, nothing says there's a clash more than an image. In colour, they scream even louder. We've recently been appointed on a healthcare project that's been drawn by the consulting team in 2D. Quite clear that not a lot of thought has gone into the documentation, very limited sections to prove or disprove issues within the drawing for coordination space. Very quickly, using the BIM software, we've been able to model up systems drawn exactly as per the design team, hand it back to them, showing very clearly that it doesn't work. That's the benefit for us because A, we can save time very quickly, not having to detail through a drawing for complete manufacture. We can model it, run the clash detection, find the problem, issue it back to the design team, pretty much saying, can you fix this? With the full fabrication range of software, we now have a lot of options we can provide our clients. Whether a project starts in the Revit environment, goes through to the CAM environment, we use part of the software called Fabrication. That allows us to get a design model provided by a design consultant, run it through the fabrication software, straight into the detailing 3D software or to a factory CAM machine for direct manufacture or spooling of drawings. I believe that we're one of the first companies in Australia to implement this workflow, and it's helped us grow as a business and is now a requirement on several projects.
First up, would start with design line, just running over the consultant's general design, getting it to the sizes that they've asked for. Then we'll create it into 3D using the manufacturer's standard duct pieces. And then from there we'll start doing the coordination through Navisworks, making sure it works with other services, with the architecture and with the structure. From there we can detail it for manufacture and send it straight off to the machines. So when we're putting in the ductwork pieces, just simple button by button, a button assigned to each type of duct piece. So standard length straights, bends, and you can just click button by button and it'll put everything in as it would be manufactured.
In the 3D environment, you can find problems quickly. They're there for everyone to see. The following meeting, if they're not resolved, they're still there for everyone to see. So in that respect, every contractor using the software has to fix the problem.
It makes life a lot easier, yeah. It just makes it, you don't have to calculate anything really. It just, as long as you've got it all set up correctly, it just runs everything in for you as you'd like to manufacture it. Once all the information's in that model, you can send the model straight to the manufacturer and they can make the ductwork using just the drawing. They don't have to do any work themselves, they just input it straight into the machinery and it will manufacture all that ductwork. Straight from the screen to the machine, yeah.
Since we've started using the Fabrication suite of software, we've seen our business grow between 20 and 25%. Staff base has grown between 15 and 20%. We're looking to add further staff over the next year and a half, and our client base is increasingly growing as well. It's helped us grow as a business. We don't just use it as drafting for a means to an end. So we have actually won some projects recently based on the software that we have and our experience with the software. Clients are specifically coming to us because of our background and knowledge of the fabrication range of software. We've recently been awarded a project that was specified for a particular suite of the fabrication, which we have a lot of experience in. BIM software from our point of view has been a no-brainer really. We've used it from a very early stage. We've built our business based on the software. We've grown our business. Anyone that's looking to purchase the product shouldn't think twice about it. Our workflows are a lot easier, clients are a lot happier, staff are happier. There's something different to come into work every day.